watching out for was the treatment of the LTCG, and it will be applied on anything above 1 lakh at a 10% rate. In fact, the STT regime also continues, so it hasn't been offset against the STT just yet. Obviously, the markets are reacting rather negatively to it. They aren't impressed, but there really was a pressing need to do so, was it not?
It is a pressing need to do so, and also in economic terms, in sort of analytical terms, we must equate the returns on asset classes across the board. And I think, in fact, therefore, LTCG, you will see further changes either in the other asset classes, or on this one, as we go forward. But the big thing that the finance minister has done has to sort of, not make it retrospective. It will apply from the market situation today, which is let's say 26,000. So now that should have been a big relief to the market. I thought the market had already factored this in, but clearly the investors continue to need more. So LTCG was almost like a foregone conclusion. But Supriya, let me draw your attention also to what the finance minister has done in terms of Operation Green, which is to give 500 crore for a better procurement of some of our perishable crops like tomatoes and onions, which cause distress all the time. So I think this and he's equated that to Operation Flood. So if we can get this operation procurement for vegetables and horticulture and other things going, I think that will also mean that the farmers' income could well be doubled sooner than we think. And finally, the whole the concessions that have been given to the real estate, which is not being not indexing the sort of the capital gains, etc. there. I think that's also should spur growth. So it is in some sense a very bold growth enhancing and employment generating budget, and I think this is what we should look in. This is what we should see it as.
Okay.